What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will walk you through the steps to turn off the LED flash for alerts on your iPhone. First, open your Settings app, scroll down and select Accessibility. Within the Accessibility menu, tap on Audio/Visual. At the bottom of that page, you will see the option labeled LED flash for alerts. Toggle it off to completely disable the flashing light for incoming notifications. Alternatively, you can choose to only enable the LED flash when your phone is locked or only when your phone is in silent mode, depending on your preferences. If you don't see these exact settings, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. To check for updates, return to your main settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it, and then revisit your accessibility settings to see if the LED flash option is now visible. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.